Welcome to MGT's AI Academy. MGT is the first AI-powered neo-insurer, and today we want to show you a simple way to add AI to your everyday workflow. Tired of the slow grind of building lead lists by hand, or buying stale lead lists? Let's use AI to generate a list of leads and a calling script to get started today instead. First, choose your AI tool. You can choose from many of the popular ones today: Gemini, ChatGPT, or Copilot, to name a few. For our demo today, let's go to chatgpt.com. Now let's give some instructions. Let's tell it to act as a lead generation expert for a commercial insurance agent. Make me a spreadsheet of new small business convenience stores, drugstores, and pharmacies that have opened recently in a 25-mile radius of Austin, Texas. Include their name, neighborhood, and the type of store they are. And we'll submit that. We'll give it a moment to load. And there we go. In only a few moments, we have a lead list of a number of stores in the area to contact. Looks like we have some good convenience store and pharmacy options that have opened recently in Round Rock and Cedar Park. Now, as part of the same conversation, let's ask it to generate a script for us so we're prepared for a few different possible conversation outcomes. Give me a short, friendly phone script to call these stores and ask about their business owner's policy. We'll submit that. Instantly, you have a starting point for your conversations. And in addition to these different outcomes, you can even have it list key questions to ask about their specific risks. Finally, let's head to the MGT website to make sure all of this is an appetite before we even pick up a phone. We'll ask Aimee, MGT's AI-powered appetite agent. You can visit anytime at mgtinsurance.com/Aimee. Does MGT cover convenience stores in Round Rock, Texas? An immediate clear yes. But what about pharmacies and drugstores in Cedar Park, Texas? Another yes. And that's it. We're ready to make our calls. Using AI to work smarter and faster. Just a small example of the power of adding AI to your workflows. But having a teammate to help you master it? That's the power of partnering with MGT.